ప్రణామం 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 ప్రభాత సూర్యుడికి ప్రణామం.
All to shoot me your questions right now as soon as possible until I end my short topic. So without much delay, I would like to start this session today. As you all know that iGlow is first of its kind product in India, which is an internal cosmetic. Otherwise, we call it as a Nutri cosmetic product. So iGlow is a product which is specifically designed to condition your beauty from inside and makes your skin glow outside. So that is how iGlow is actually designed, my dear friends. So that is the reason why we call this as the internal cosmetic or the Nutri cosmetic supplement product. I hope the point is clear. So who doesn't want a brighter, younger looking and healthy skin? This is what our tagline actually says. Who doesn't want brighter skin? Who doesn't want younger looking skin? Who doesn't want healthy skin? Everybody wants it, right? And that is the reason why our product iGlow will condition your body from inside, whereas it makes your skin glow outside, which means that the skin health always happens internally, but the result is actually shown externally. That is how the skin health concept is actually explained, my dear friends. So the major promotional tool or promotional aspect for all of you who are watching this, you have to tell people that iGlow is not a cosmetic product. It is not a cosmetic product which is applied from outside, but iGlow is definitely an internal cosmetic or a Nutri cosmetic product which is actually taken inside. It conditions your beauty from inside and automatically it makes your skin glow outside, my dear friends. I hope the points are clear to you. Well, going ahead, as you all know that the Indian beauty market, we normally call this as the beauty market. See, beauty market doesn't really mean it is only the products which are pertaining to be applied from outside. So, but the beauty market is something like, it also applies to the internal cosmetic market. See, these days, everybody knows that the hazardous chemicals which are actually used in the cosmetics is causing a lot of problems to your skin. And you also know that we are running through this coronavirus period right now, and all of us are used to using these protective gears like the mask, the gloves, the sanitizers, which are full of alcohol. See, all these things are eventually causing problems to your skin. So that is the reason why the beauty market in India will also gear up, in years to come now. Not only the topical cosmetics, especially the use of internal cosmetics will play a very important role here. People are getting used to this because of the fact that the internal cosmetics are those products which will condition your liver, it will condition your blood, it will purify your blood, it will detoxify your liver. Automatically, it will result in a very good skin health, my dear friends. This is how the internal cosmetic products are going to work. So I hope the point is clear to everybody. So this is how the Indian beauty as well as wellness market is going to, go to heights from now on for some years, or even the future generation actually depends on these internal cosmetics as well, my dear friends. So as I told you, Nutri cosmetics is one important segment that we have entered into, and as the name indicates, our product contains enough nutrients along with botanical ingredients. Otherwise, they are called as herbal extracts. Both of them put together, we call it as Nutri cosmetics. So that is the reason why iGlow is considered to be a Nutri cosmetic product. So as you all know that the most important ingredient which is present in iGlow is called as the saffron. We also call it as kesar or kesari or kumkumapu or various other terminologies in India. So normally it is called as saffron. So normally the saffron contains these threads of saffron, as we call the red colored threads of saffron. So the most important thing here is saffron, which is sourced from the valley of Kashmir, is one of the best available saffron in the whole world. In fact, as you all know that the geographical indication tag is actually given by the government of India to the saffron which is available in Kashmir, which actually shows its economic importance across the world. So that is the reason why saffron, which is available in the Kashmir Valley, is used in our product, which is considered to be the most expensive as well as the best available quality of the saffron across the globe. So this is the best available saffron that we are using, my dear friends. As you all know that saffron was known from the period of Ayurveda, dating back to 5,000 years old, where The textbooks of Ayurveda, mainly the Charaka Samhita or Sushruta Samhita, these are some of the textbooks where the references of saffron is available even today, stating its activity on the skin, especially for maintaining the best of the best skin health. That is the reason why this particular saffron is actually used in our product to condition your skin, to nurture your skin, at the same point of time to moisturize your skin. This is very, very important, because most of the times I've told you this, but for the benefit of others, I would like to tell this point again. Whenever you have a dry skin situation or dry skin condition, it is always a very dangerous and a grave condition. So whenever the skin has enough moisture, in the sense the hydration of the skin is always okay, then normally the skin is always protected. The hydration should not be too much also. Too much oiliness is also not good actually. But the optimum amounts of oil is always important for the skin to remain healthy, my dear friends. So this is what exactly happens whenever you are consuming this wonderful ingredient called as saffron in our product iGlow. I hope the point is clear. Not only this, saffron is a wonderful ingredient which has the healing properties, as well as it brings about the recovery of the skin, because our skin is exposed to wear and tear on a daily basis. So wear and tear in the sense our skin is normally subjected to a lot of difficulties on a daily basis. It is stressed up. As your body is stressed up, my dear friends, your skin is also stressed up. So for reducing the stress levels of the skin, it is very important for you to consume iGlow. I hope the point is clear. So not only this, my dear friends, I would like to talk something about the natural plant collagen today. It's a very, very important thing. The other major ingredient which is present in our product iGlow is called as natural plant collagen. See, natural plant collagen, as the name says, it is derived naturally. See, normally the collagen which is available across the globe, when you see, it is all about the synthetic collagen. Synthetic collagen in the sense they are normally either chemical sources or animal sources. But in our product iGlow, we have definitely used a natural source of collagen, and it does not contain any animal content. This is the most important information, a promotional aspect that everybody has to follow. See, not only this, my dear friends, as I told you, natural plant collagen is normally derived from various fruits and vegetable skins. You know the skin of various fruits and vegetables, as well as some of the pulps also. For example, acai berry is one source, bamboo is the other source, cucumber is the other source, asparagus is there, similarly broccolis are there, you have something like the rose petals, even cherry. All these fruits, as well as some of the petals and the leaves, these are the sources of natural plant collagen. This is where we are also using this natural plant collagen from various of these sources. As you all know that collagen is normally present in our bodies also. Collagen is called as a beauty protein. See, normally this is a product which is pertaining to the beauty segment. Scientifically speaking also, collagen is actually called as a beauty protein. See, collagen is used for various things in our human body. It normally makes you look youthful. The young or the youthful feel and look of the skin will improve because of the presence of collagen. Not only this, collagen is mainly, it is also used in the bones. It gives the strength to the bones as well as the tendons. Not only that, your bones always become brittle whenever you age. Whenever the age increases, your bones become brittle. So whenever a lot of collagen resources is available in the body, so automatically your bone strength as well as your muscle strength is also improved. That is how collagen is going to help you. Not only this, collagen also helps you to hold the skin together. This is very important. Collagen helps you to hold the skin together, which means that collagen is very important for maintaining the tightness of your skin. That is a very important promotional aspect what I am trying to tell you. Tightening of the skin is brought about by collagen. So whenever your collagen reduces in the skin, the tightening of the skin also reduces, the skin becomes loose. That is the reason why whenever you are consuming iGlow on a regular basis, automatically the tightness of the skin will be maintained, your young and the youthful look and feel will come back to you. This is what exactly iGlow is all about, my dear friends. So not only this, as I've been telling about the concept of nutri-cosmetics or the internal cosmetics, these days, as I told you, even the post-COVID-19 situations, if you think about, all of our skin will get damaged, because all these days we have used any kind of a particular sanitizer. So I'm not trying to name anything, but normally the alcohol content or the spirit content in the sanitizers are pretty high. ultimately our skin will get affected sometime, in the future days. Well, such time always it is important for us to consume nutri-cosmetic products, not only something to apply on the skin. It is not sufficient. But if you take something internally, so automatically the health of the liver will improve, the health of the blood will improve, so automatically you will not have any kinds of skin problems in the future. That is the reason why even today, if you see global market, if you see the collagen products, especially the collagen contents and the ingredients of collagen are on very high demand these days. Until 2025, the whole world is actually looking into something like the natural plant collagen. Now they have come to the understanding that by the use of natural plant collagen, definitely your firmness, the resilience, as well as the elasticity, the tightening of the skin can definitely happen. And that is the most important thing that the whole world can get from this product, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. So not only this, collagen has a lot of benefits in the human body also. Not only the skin benefits, my dear friends, it has also a lot of other benefits in the body. It supports your skin health. It keeps your nails strong. Sometimes your nails also become brittle and white in color. Okay, sometimes the differentiation in the color can happen. Sometimes the lines will appear on the nails. All these are issues related to the collagen deficiency. It prevents hair loss. It allows muscle growth as well as regeneration. It brings up your joints. In the sense, the bones and the joints will become strong. Even the ligaments and tendons which are present in the joints also become strong. It strengthens your bones. It promotes tissue repair. This is a very, very important thing. Your whole body is actually connected by something called as tissues. Tissues are the things which actually connects your body, the different parts of the body. So even whenever you are aging or whenever you are diseased, your tissues also deplete, tissues also degenerate. So because of the lack of collagen in the body. So but whenever you are consuming this collagen on a regular basis, automatically the strengthening of the tissues will also happen. Not only this, it keeps your eyes healthy, it promotes gut health, it ensures your heart health, it also supports your brain health, my dear friends. See, collagen has a lot of other important uses in your body apart from the skin health uses also. I hope my point is clear to everyone. So not only this, collagen improves your skin and hair, it repairs your joint, it repairs your intestine, it boosts your metabolism, it strengthens even your teeth. This is also very important. Your teeth is also strengthened because of using this particular, collagen. It detoxifies your body. It reduces cellulite and stretch marks also. So this is what exactly the use of collagen is all about in our human bodies. As I told you, my dear friends, we in Indus Viva are using the natural plant collagen, which is derived from the natural sources or the herbal sources. As I've listed you before, these are some of the sources that we are taking the plant collagen and we are adding it in our product. And as I've previously told you, we are not adding any animal origin products in any of our products for that matter, my dear friends. As I told you, each and every Indus Viva product is a frontline immune booster product. As everyone knows, it is a frontline immune booster product, where in case of eye glow also, this collagen itself is a very good immunity booster because it is not only acting on your skin, but it is acting elsewhere in the human body also. That is the reason why we call eye glow as a holistic healthcare supplement. We call this as a holistic healthcare supplement where it acts from your head till the toe. It shows its health benefits from head till the toe. That is the reason why it is called as a holistic healthcare supplement product. In fact, you can call eye glow as a holistic skin health supplement product also. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So, as you all know that not only this, the other important thing is eye glow also contains this kojic acid. As I've been telling, see, kojic acid is not something which is very dangerous in nature. Kojic acid is a natural acid which is available in the plants. We normally derive this kojic acid from the seaweeds. It reduces your sun damage in the sense because there are a lot of sun related issues like the ultraviolet rays which are coming out of the sun can damage your skin. Kojic acid helps in this. It also has the licorice extract. Licorice extract prevents the dark spots. This is very important. Licorice, we call it as mulethi in Hindi. We call it as Atimaduram in Telugu and Tamil, as well as in Malayalam, I believe. And in Kannada, we call it as Jeshth Madhu. This is what the various languages of licorice is. Licorice is a very important ingredient for making the skin look light. That's a very important point what I was trying to emphasize. It also contains the natural lutein, which we have sourced it from the marigold flowers. Marigold flowers, as everybody knows, is orange in color, and the lutein color is also orange. Lutein is very much required for keeping the hydration good in the body. Hydration in the sense it's very important. As I told you, the water levels or the moisture levels in the skin have to be maintained. So whenever the moisture levels is kept optimum, your skin will not become dry. So automatically, your skin will not be prone to any kind of skin issues in the future. We also have the natural CoQ10. We are also using the coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 is also derived from the natural sources like the seaweeds, where the coenzyme Q10 is actually providing skin energy. This is also very important. Your whole body might look energized, but your skin energy also matters, my dear friends. Skin energy, because your whole body energy is a different aspect altogether, but your skin should also be stress-free as well as it should be energized. This is how the whole composition of iGlow is actually made, and these are some of the important promotional points that I've given you to promote this product in a very scientifically logical, validated as well as a logical way, my dear friends. So coming to the benefits of iGlow, as you all know that the most important thing that you have to know here is the benefits of the iGlow. The first and the foremost thing is the skin lightening benefit, not the skin brightening benefit. So please be aware of these two words here. It is always making the dark tone look light. That is what is exactly called a skin lightening benefit. It is not the skin brightening benefit. It is also a very good anti-aging supplement. It is also a very good anti-wrinkle supplement. It is also a good skin moisturizing supplement. It reduces the dark spots. It is a blemish control supplement as well. Blemish in the sense, they are called as scars. So whenever you have scars on your skin, scars are nothing but old wounds. Whenever you have a pimple, a ruptured pimple, 2 or 3 pimples joined together, it becomes a scar. This is what is exactly is called as a blemish. Even for reducing the blemish, iGlow is a very important and a very good product. So not only this, it also is provides you a radiant complexion. Skin damage control can also happen with the help of iGlow. It rejuvenates your whole skin. That is the reason why we normally call this as a holistic skin health support, which means that it supports your skin from head till the toe. This is how exactly iGlow is going to help you. Not only this, as I told you, iGlow is considered to be an internal cosmetic or a nutri-cosmetic product, which exactly means that it is acting from head till the toe. And where the internal point is very important here, it detoxifies your liver. Whenever you are consuming iGlow, it brings about the detoxification of the liver. Once the liver is detoxified, automatically the blood is purified. Once the blood is purified, automatically the skin health and the conditioning of the skin is maintained. I hope the points are clear to everybody. This is how you need to promote iGlow with such claims and benefits. So as you all know that iGlow is an excellent product for all the skin types. Let it be the oily skin, let it be the dry skin or a combination skin. It is suitable for men, women as well as kids. For better results, I would always suggest you to use one iGlow sachet in the morning, half an hour before your food, and one iGlow sachet in the night, half an hour before your dinner. It can be consumed safely for a longer duration and it is well tolerated. It can be used as an adjuvant along with other cosmetics and medications very safely. I hope the point is clear to everybody. This is how you need to use iGlow, my dear friends. So thank you so much, Vivites, for your patient watching. I really appreciate your participation in this. So now this is a question answer time. So I'm taking up the last week's questions first, followed by the present week's questions. So today my colleague Mr. Akbar has collected the questions for me. So let me go through the last week's questions first, followed by the today's questions. So the first question is by Mr. Tejesh. If Mr. Tejesh is watching this, can we suggest iGlow who has delivered baby almost 1.5 months ago? Absolutely yes, Mr. Tejesh. Only the first month after the delivery, the product should not be given. From the second month onwards, the product can be given. So I hope the point is clear. So the next question that I am taking here is from Mr. Mohan. Mr. Mohan is asking me a question. Earlier advice, above 1 year, can we use iGlow? As I told you, in case of children, it is always important for you to consume eye glow above 6 years of age. This is always important. Above 6 years of age is always important, not 1 year. I hope my point is clear, Mr. Mohan. So the next question is from Mr. Kamal Verma. Can we use eye glow in cases of various cancers? As I have told you, as a generalized skin health supplement, even in a cancer patient, you can definitely use eye glow safely along with their medications, what the doctors have prescribed. I hope the point is clear. You can ask them to consume one sachet in the morning and one sachet in the night, half an hour or 15 minutes after their food. I hope the point is clear. So the next set of questions that I'm taking for today, the first question is from Mr. Mohammed. Which age group people can use eye glow? As I told you, from 6 years onwards till 100 years, you can use eye glow. If Mr. Mohammed is watching this, this is your answer. So the next question that I'm seeing here is from Mr. Mohammed. Some people are getting pimples after using eye glow. What would be the reason? A very good question, Mr. Mohammed. See, I'll tell you, all our Indus Viva products, initially when it is consumed, will lead to a process called as detoxification. Even in the case of eye glow, as you all know that eye glow undergoes a process called as liver detoxification. Once the liver detoxification is happening, automatically there will be a lot of effects which are shown on the human body. One important effect is the presence of pimples also, because that is one of the ways by which the body is throwing the waste out, the toxic materials out. So this can happen for some days. What I would like to suggest you is, please ask them to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of warm water in a day. I'm telling you again, 2 to 3 liters of warm water in a day, or hot water is also okay, not the cold water. If they do this at least for a period of 15 to 20 days, automatically the detoxification will be happening automatically, by which the effects, the side effects which are produced out of the detoxification can also be minimized. I hope the point is clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Lucky. If you are watching this, is eye glow helps in ESR problem? See, eye glow is not a product which is working on the blood exactly. Eye glow is a product which is detoxifying the liver, by which the blood is purified, because of which all these issues will reduce. It is not working on the ESR problem. I hope the point is clear. So the next question that I am seeing is from Ms. Chandramma. If Ms. Chandramma is watching this, what is the exact time to have eye glow? How it is beneficial for a person having a lot of pimples on face? As I told you, if Ms. Chandramma is watching this, see, the first thing is you have to consume eye glow in the morning by 8 o'clock or 8:30. That is 15 to half an hour after your breakfast. And even in the night, 8 to 8:30 would be an ideal time, 15 minutes to half an hour after the dinner. This is how exactly the eye glow has to be used. That is, meal time is very important here. 15 minutes to 30 minutes after the food is always important, not before the food. Because what would happen is, most of these nutri-cosmetic products, the better absorption, the better digestion, the better metabolism will happen only after the food, not before the food. I hope the point is clear. The second part of the query, as I've told you, it contains a wonderful ingredient called as saffron. As I've told you, that saffron is a wonderful ingredient which is known for reducing the acne and pimple breakouts. So definitely you can consider this wonderful product for the management of acne and pimples. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is, I'm seeing is from Mr. Nikhil. Could we get rid of stretch marks? See, stretch marks has no association with eye glow, even though it contains collagen. Why I am telling you this point is, stretch marks can happen because of multiple reasons. If there is a weight gain, if there is a weight loss, if stretch marks do happen, it has not got any relationship with the skin, because there is dispersion of the fat below the skin. It is more so related with the fat of the human being and not related to the skin issues. But definitely, a very good combination of eye slim as well as eye glow can be suggested in cases of stretch marks. I hope the point is clear. I hope these two combinations, the combination of slim and glow, you can start using it in such patients. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Ms. Aruna. So Ms. Aruna is asking this question: can eye glow be recommended to a person with more body heat? Very good question again. As I told you, suppose if the person's basal metabolic rate, we call it as BMR, basal metabolic rate is increased, we call it as heat in colloquial terms. What exactly would happen is, whenever the heat of the person is increased, normally the detoxification process is also happening inside the human body, and automatically the heat might increase in the human body. That is the reason why I suggested you to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of warm water in a day, so that automatically the detoxification process can be be controlled or maintained. At the same point of time, the side effects which are coming out of it can also be minimalized. I hope the point is clear to you. So I hope, my dear friends, so these are some of the questions that we had today. So thanks for posing your questions. So I am also seeing one of the questions here by Mr. Shafgufta Sheikh. Can this be given to a diabetic patient with psoriasis? Absolutely yes, because it is also sugar free. You can definitely give it in case of psoriasis also. I hope the point is clear to everybody. You can give it, Mr. Shafgupta Sheikh, one sachet in the morning and one sachet in the night, half an hour after your breakfast and half an hour after your dinner would be a very, very ideal product. So the next important question that I am seeing here, after a person may consume 3 months after that, how often should we take eye glow? The question is from Mr. Varun Jain. If Mr. Varun Jain is watching this, definitely you can consider this product at least for a period of 6 months. Definitely the product will show you the best of the best skin health benefits. I hope the point is clear. So Mr. Vamshi Krishna is asking me the same. I think that I have answered his question. The heat issues, I've answered this question in one of the other distributors who are asking me the same question on the heat. I've cleared that point. So I'm seeing a question from Miss Vinita Sundar here. Miss Vinita Sundar, if I eat egg during this eye glow consumption, does it have any issues? So don't have to worry about it. You can definitely consume eggs. There is no reaction with this particular product. We call this as an alternative and a complementary product where this will not have any kind of side effects or reactions with any kind of medications or diet. So Miss Vinita Sundar, if you are seeing this, you can definitely consume this without any problems. See, there are some people who are asking questions on iPulse. I would like to suggest you or request you that please do question that in the iPulse broadcast, not here. I hope the point is clear. So thank you for that. Mr. Vanita Shekhar is asking me a question. So why it is 15 minutes after the food and not before the food? I think I've answered this question also. For better absorption, it should be taken 15 minutes after the food and not before the food. This is for Ms. Vanita Shekhar. Totakara Varghese Sanni, before or after breakfast, it is always after breakfast and after dinner. I hope the point is clear. So thank you so much, Vivite. So these were actually the questions of the day. Thank you so much for your wonderful participation. So with this, we would like to end this iGlow Facebook Day today. We hope more and more questions from your side. As I previously told you, your unanswered questions will be answered the next week as well. You can also pose your questions on our messenger on the Facebook page as well. So not only this, I would also like to request you to like our Indus Viva INC page as well if you have not liked so. So please do that as well. So thank you so much for your patient watching and have a nice day ahead. Thank you so much. This is Dr. Balu Kolar signing off from Indus Viva Health Sciences Private Limited, Bangalore. Have a nice day. Thank you.